I was still on the road the first time I heard about Jimmy. Now you can't find a website or a magazine or even another producer that isn't talking about him. Tom Morello, Slash, Jimmy Page, they're all legends. He could be one of those guys.
Yeah, I don't know how to say it, but Jimmy's different. Jimmy's changed. It used to be about the music. Now it's about women, and it's about cars, and it's about skipping practice. You know, I mean, we're the Dead Nails, man. We're not Jimmy and the Dead Nails, or Jimmy and three other guys that he could give a about. I mean,
Jimmy's tough, but he pushes people and he brings out the best in the people around him.
Then I'm done.
I'm the front man of the band, the lead singer, right? I mean, whoever cares about a guitarist?
The bass player, that's different.
Jimmy! This isn't over, Jimmy. This is not finished. Jimmy! Turn it off. Turn it
Is
off!
there a guitar hero in you? Guitar Hero 3, Legends of Rock, rated T for Teen.